Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be talking about Skin Tales Vanilla fragrance, and there is so much hype around this fragrance. And you know what guys, there was so much request to do a review on this one. I'm doing this review specifically because you guys asked for it. There were so many messages, so many DMs to me asking to review this one. So here's the review. I've purchased it only for you guys. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Let's begin. Before we do so, make sure that you support my channel by subscribing, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and let's get started with today's video. Let's dive into the presentation first. This is the box in which it comes, a very simple peach colored box in which the details are hardly visible, but it's written Tale Vanilla Skin Eau de Parfum, and here they have written something about the manufacturing, all of that, and then it is priced for 1095 and you get 100 ml. I got this from, I think, Myntra or Nykaa, I don't remember. I'll leave the link in the description. I got it for at the range of around 800, and that's why I picked it, because I think that it was like under 1000. So I was like, okay, skin perfume under 1000, good deal. So I immediately purchased it. The best part of this box, the only best part about this box is the notes are present right here, which you can't see on the camera, but notes are kind of available here, and they've written that this is irresistible charm, addictive tropical vibes, and the warmth of golden vanilla, which comes to life to create a fragrance full of joy. That's what, I don't know what this is, but that's what the explanation is. Let's see the packaging first, and then I'll talk about the notes breakdown. I love the bottle on this one. It has a nice sunset vibe to it. Color combination and everything is so pretty, so warm, so beautiful to look at. Like, it's so gorgeous, right? The ombre effect and everything. So the bottle is nice, and this is the juice dent. And overall, I kind of like how this one is. The frosted bottle is nice to look at. And the fragrance notes on this one is peony and blackcurrant. So peony has a nice floral and kind of like a powdery touch, with blackcurrant being a very dominating note in here. Mid notes of peach and jasmine, and base notes of vanilla and musk. Now, from the notes breakdown, you can clearly see and clearly tell that this is a fruity floral fragrance, and that's exactly what this is. So this is the sprayer gives less perfume, so you have to go with more number of sprays. Coming to the scent profile of this one, the blackcurrant and the peach is super dominating in this perfume. Like, literally a very tropical, juicy fragrance in my opinion. Jasmine is just playing in the background along with peony. The fruits are just capturing the front and the mid and the whole perfume. Very fruity, very like the blackcurrant is super strong in this one. The peach is super strong in this one. It kind of gives me that peach blackcurrant mocktail situation, and because of that blackcurrant being very strong, it also gives a jammy feel to this fragrance, like a jammy blackcurrant meeting the peach. That's exactly what this fragrance smells like, and then has the added sweetness of vanilla and some powderiness of musk. This perfume is called as vanilla. Now, if you see the notes and the feeling that this fragrance gives, let me explain the feel also that this fragrance gives. It gives me the feel of walking by a beachside. Like, you know, I'm watching the sunset, I'm at the beach, the waves are striking my feet, I have sand on my skin, I'm probably sipping a mocktail or a peach tea, or maybe like this blackcurrant and peach mocktail I'm sipping with lots of ice. It's very cold, and you know, that whole salty breeze, that's the whole vibe, the tropical vibe that I'm getting from this fragrance. And it kind of gives me that sun-kissed, sun-drenched wala feel. Okay, so a nice summer perfume, in fact a perfect summer vacation, beach vacation kind of a fragrance. So that's the overall scent profile that you get here. Also, the longevity is good. It gives me around 5-6 hours. The projection is nice. It has a nice strong scent bubble around me. And in fact, this is kind of like a, you know, this is a very people pleaser DNA, because the fruitiness is just very pleasing. And it also kind of is a compliment getter. perfect office wear as well, perfect vacation scent, perfect for a good, happy, fun, joyful day. That's like the sunset vibe that this fragrance has. So overall, the fragrance is nice. It's a good tropical perfume and probably is like a 8 out of 10. Now here's where the confusion starts for me. When the perfume says that the name is vanilla, me being a hardcore vanilla lover, this perfume, when I sniffed it, I was like, where the heck is vanilla here? Like, where did the vanilla go? This is like a tropical mocktail. And I was like, okay, why have they called this vanilla? It's, a person who is into vanilla, a person who is a gourmand lover, for this fragrance to arrive in the name of vanilla, but being a fruit mocktail, it hurts my sentiments as a perfume lover, as a vanilla perfume lover. This perfume has hurt my sentiments. I am so sorry for people who thought that this was a vanilla fragrance, which was like a bakery perfume, which was like a gourmand fragrance, or they were thinking that maybe Skin has finally gotten inspired by Bianco Latte, by Giardini di Toscana, and finally Skin has gotten their hands on a good gourmand DNA. But guys, I'm seriously sorry to disappoint you. This is nothing of a bakery scent, nothing even close to a gourmand scent in my opinion. This is a fruit mocktail, and this is a joke on people who thought that this is a vanilla fragrance. I am so disappointed that this is not, this is not what I expected it to be. So I read the notes when I purchased it, but I was like, the name is vanilla. All of these top notes and mid notes must be in the background. The name of the fragrance is vanilla. It must be vanilla and musk. And that's what my mentality was around this fragrance, and I bought it. And so many of you also thought the same, because you were messaging, is this similar to, Bianco Latte? Is this similar to Eclairs? Because this is under 1,000, you may get this one to get a feel of what Bianco Latte is. People, please don't purchase this if you're looking for a gourmand scent. This is a mocktail in a bottle. Yes, if you're looking for a tropical, kind of like Escada fragrances, how they are very fresh and tropical and beach vibe summer fragrances, if you're looking for that vibe, go for this one. Just go for this one. But if you're looking for, it's a good fragrance, but only if it is said as a tropical bliss. If you would call this as a tropical bliss, or if you call this like a sunset bliss, I would love it. Like, Mama Earth has recently launched that Into the Vanilla Bliss kind of a fragrance. That is similar to kind of Bianco Latte in my opinion. So I don't know, this was a real utter confusion in my head, and for that reason I'm very disappointed with this purchase, and that's what my review is about. Yes, if you like tropical fragrances, you will love it. The peach fragrance that this is, the blackcurrant and peach, is super gorgeous in this one, but again, not for gourmand lovers. So my overall rating for this to be a vanilla scent is like a 1 out of 10. I'm very harsh when it comes to vanilla. I love my vanilla fragrances, और मेरे साथ धोखा हो गया है क्योंकि इसका नाम vanilla है. But keeping that aside, if I have to kind of rate the tropical scent that this is, the mocktail cocktail concoction that they have created and named it vanilla, the scent profile in itself gets a 8 out of 10. The projection, sillage, everything is nice. It's a good summer vibe kind of a fragrance, and overall I love it. It's just not vanillic enough for me. So that's the most confusing video of the day. That's my review about Tales Skin vanilla fragrance, but not so vanilla. So that's my overall review. I know I was kind of sarcastic or maybe ironical in this video, but it's needed. Why would you call this vanilla if it's not vanilla? Why? Just say that it is sunset bliss or tropical bliss and get on with the release. I mean, why call it vanilla? It has hurt my sentiments, okay? So that's what the video is about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like my content, and if you do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram for more perfume content. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.